So guys, we are here.
I'm gonna keep them here.
This is kimchi jong, right?
As a K-pop girly, I had Sipper
Guys, we've got this whole thing. This is ours. We literally bought it.
to watch the most amazing sunset of my entire life. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. There's one more thing that we have to talk about, which is the budget. There's one particular skincare and makeup store.
Oh, that's Thailand.
One particular scene in Villa that was shot, apparently, they refunded everybody's ticket. And the next day is all about us traveling. Day 4 was more about traveling, so we had our flight scheduled from Kuala Lumpur to Langkawi. We reached Langkawi, I think, at around 12:30 in the afternoon, but it was raining a lot. In Langkawi, the day we reached, so we really couldn't do anything. We just checked into our Airbnb and then we just stayed back. And honestly, we already knew that the weather in Langkawi would be such while planning, and that is why I did not book any attraction tickets in Langkawi, because we felt like if it rains then we can just sit in our Airbnb and chill, and that's exactly what happened on day 1. Talking about day 5, we had 2 days in Langkawi and one day was already kind of wasted. I wouldn't say wasted, we still had a good time just chilling. On day 2 of Langkawi, we went to the mangrove forest. So mangrove tour is basically very similar to Kerala backwater tour if you've been there. We did a lot of eagle watching and fish feeding. We saw a lot of different fishes. And we also we could see Thailand from our boat, and our time zones also got changed to Thailand time zones, which was very fun.
Oh, that's Thailand.
And then after that, the next most important thing that we had to go visit was the Langkawi Sky Bridge. So if you know Prabhas's movie Billa, so there's one particular scene in Billa that was shot apparently on the Langkawi Sky Bridge. So it is kind of popular amongst Telugu people, and it's very popular in Langkawi. So basically you have to take a gondola ride to reach the Sky Bridge. So that gondola ride, there was some technical issue in that and they completely stopped the gondola ride. They refunded everybody's tickets because they said it was not gonna work for a while, like for that day at least. So that's the only place we missed out on. And after that, and having a little bit of food, we went to the Chenang beach, which is again a very popular beach in Langkawi. There's many beaches, but we chose Chenang beach. It was very fun, like calm vibe, not too many people. The beach was also pretty clean and nice. And there's also a lot of shopping stations in the opposite side of the beach. So if you are interested in shopping after doing your swimming or whatever, you can go and shop for something as well. And there's also the parasailing, what is it called? The paragliding, whatever it is. I don't know what it's called, but that was also there. We didn't do it, but you can if you want to, if you're interested, if you're adventurous enough. And there's fire show that happens every night, I think, at the Chenang beach as well, so you can stay back for the fire show as well. And that's all about Langkawi. So in Langkawi, there's one particular mall called the Paradise Mall. I was literally in that mall the whole day. So I really like that mall, so you can do a lot of shopping there. So there's one particular skincare and makeup store. There's so much that I shopped from that store. The prices were amazing, the products were amazing. These are all the brands that I've never heard about. So they're basically Malaysian, Indonesian, Korean brands, and so I shopped a few things from that particular store. And there's other shops also where you can shop for bags or shoes or clothes and stuff like that. So you can go check that mall out. Let me know if you want to see what all I got from that mall. And by the way, I have to tell you, Langkawi is such a beautiful place. I wish I could just live there because the life is very slow and very calm and nice. It's a very, very beautiful place. Next day, which is day 6, went into traveling completely because we had a flight from Langkawi to KL and then from KL back to India. So the entirety of day 6 went into traveling for us, and with that we come to an end of the itinerary. Oh my god, this took years for me to film. There's one more thing that we have to talk about, which is the budget. Now, budget, I don't know if I should talk about it because I feel like every person travels differently. Like, there are people who want to travel a certain way, more luxuriously. The people who have a fixed budget while traveling. So it's very subjective to you. If I have to give you like a rough estimate, this is just my experience opinion, I would say 50,000 per head is more than enough. So with that, we have come to the end of this video. I don't even know if I'll ever upload this, but if you're watching it, that means I've gotten the courage to upload it. So let me know what you think of this video in the comment section below. Obviously, there's room for improvement. Let me know if there's anything that I can improve on, and also let me know if this was helpful to you, because if it was, then I can do like a series of these videos from my past travel experiences as well, and curate like an itinerary and everything for you all, so you can use it as a guide for your next upcoming trips. So please share it with whoever you can, and if there's anyone who's planning a trip, you can share this with them. Even if there's someone who's not planning a trip, let's share this with them so they think about planning a trip. Please leave me some suggestions in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.